So hello guys, welcome to another video. I know I haven't been making videos for 2 weeks, I guess. So I'm very sorry about that, but now I'm making videos again. So don't worry. So today we will learn about the area and perimeter of rectangles and squares, and I'll also explain why is the perimeter area, why is the formula of the perimeter area like that. Okay. So first, what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, for example, side equals 6, then perimeter equals 4 into 6 which equals 24. So first of all, perimeter is the boundary of any figure. This is the perimeter, this line you can see. This is the perimeter. Okay, okay. So we need to find out the boundary. Okay, so what we'll do is we will do 4 into side. So why is this formula such this says that, so what is so the property of a square is that all its sides are equal. Okay, so this is s, this is s, this is s, this is s, all sides are equal. So if there are four edges in a square, and if all the sides are equal, then the perimeter is 4 into side. This is equal because 1 2 3 and 4, the perimeter is 4 into side. To find the side of a square, a parameter is given to p by 4 to get the side. So this is derivation of the actual formula. So what we are just doing over here, like it is 4s. Okay, 4s. Sorry, pardon me for my bad handwriting. 4s is equal to, for example, the example that I have given, 24. Okay, so if 4s equal 24, then side which is s is equal to 24 by 4, which is equal to 6. So we can do like that to get the side of the square if this perimeter is given. Okay, so now the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. And keep in mind the brackets over here. It is very important. First we'll do length plus breadth, then we'll do in the sum into 2. Okay, for example, length equal 4. So L is equal to length, L is length and B is breadth. They are short forms. Okay, L is equal to 4 and B equals 6. Then perimeter equal 2 into length plus breadth, which is 2 into 4 plus 6, which is equal to 2 into 10, which is equal to 20. So why is this formula? How did he form this formula? So as you can see in the example, in the picture, the perimeter of a square would be A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, and we also know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is equal to this equal this. Okay, so what we can do over here is that we can just do this, these du and kc. 17 plus 17, it will be 34. So we can just do 17 into 2, and dk and uc are also equal, so we can do 2 into 8. So okay, so the formula will be 2 into 17, 17 and plus 2 into 8. Wait a second. 2 into 7, sorry, 2 into 17 plus 2 into 8. So we'll just use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property is that both of these two are common. So we'll take out this as common, and then we'll put in bracket 17 plus 8 as these are not common. So 2 into 17 plus 8. As you can see, we have got the formula. Okay. So here is all link on the slide. And slide also just this. Okay. Then area of a square. Okay, so now we are on to area. So area of a square is side into side. For example, side equals 6, then perimeter of this should be area, not perimeter, sorry. This should be area. This is area, okay. Area is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So how did we find this formula? Uh, so what we do? I'll show the picture for the square rectangle. Okay, so that I'll tell you how is it possible. So for example, I'll draw over here one. If I take this square, okay, and I divide into squares, like say 4 squares, okay. Uh, Wait a second. I divided into 4 squares. Okay. So we'll do square units. Square units. Okay. Square units means there is 1 square, 2 square, 3 squares like that. So this side over here has 2 squares. So the length of this side will be 2 square units. Okay. This will be 2 square units. And then length of this side also will be 2. So this is also 2 square units. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, this is also 2 square units. Then as this is 2 and this is 2. So what we'll do is we'll do 2 into 2 to get the area, total area, which is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how we find the area of a square. Okay, because these is 4 area, these are 4 squares. Okay, so we'll do 2 into 2, which is 4, right? Okay. So to find the side of a square, if area is given, get square root of a to get the side. Okay. So for example, if the area is 36, okay, and then we have to find the side. So what we'll do is we'll find the square root of 36. The square root of 36. So I haven't told you how to find the square root and square of of numbers. Square is like this. This is 6. 6 into 6 is 6 squared. So I haven't told you about that. I will tell you about in another video. So for just for now, to find the side of a square, we'll just find the square root of the area. 36 square root of 36 equals 6. Okay. Okay, so yes. So the area of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So it is just the same like the square. Okay, this area of the square. But as the length and breadth are different, the lengths are different. So we do length into breadth instead of side into side. For example, length equal 4 and breadth equal 6, then area equal 4 into 6, which equal 24. So the same example I'm giving again. Length is 7 square units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and breadth is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So what we'll do is we'll do 7 into 4. Okay, so we'll get this has 7, this has 7, this has 7, this has 7 squares. So 7 into 4. Right, did you get it? This has 7 squares, this whole row has 7 squares, second row has 7 squares, third row has 7 squares, fourth row has 7 squares. Okay, so what we'll do, as this will be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, we'll do 7 into 4, which is the breadth, 4 columns. Okay, for the square I can also give, and this, as you can see, this is 2 square and 2 square, so it forms, these are two rows, right? One first row and second row. So we get 2 into 2, which 2 is the breadth, as 2 there are 2 columns. Okay, so 2 into 2, which equal 4. To find the length of rectangle, if area is given, do A by W to get the length and vice versa. Wait a second. Oh, so I'll just first do that. To find the length of rectangle, if area is given, do A by W to get the length and vice versa for width. So what this means is that if the area is given 24, for example, as you could see here. Okay, yes. If area equal 24 and they have given you the breadth as 6 and area as 24, what you will do, this is just a derivative of the actual formula. It is length into breadth, the formula, right? So if you want length into breadth equal 24, yes. So we want to find the length, we'll just transpose b to the other side, as I taught you in linear and simple equations how to transpose and everything. We'll transpose b to the other side. In multiplication becomes division, so it will be 24 by b, and b is 6, so 24 by b, 26 equal 4, so the length is 4. And for the perimeter of a rectangle, I forgot to tell you the second point. To find the length of rectangle, if perimeter is given, do p by 2 minus w to get the side and vice versa for width. Okay, so let's take this example only. For example, if it was given, length was not given. Okay, length was not given, only breadth was given. So it will be 2 into L plus 6, right? And it is again, it is a derivative. So what we'll do first, we'll transpose 2 to the other side. It becomes 20 by 2, which is 10. Then we'll transpose 6 to the other side. Plus becomes minus. So it will be 10 minus 6, and then we get 4 as the length. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and in the next video I will tell you about the area of parallelograms, triangles and circles. Circles area and perimeter I am unsure, but I will see. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.